This is the story of Charlotte Jones-Pamphile. She has a mature and stable family-based embroidery shop. She has many international famous brands' embroidery machines and sewing machines before buying her first buy.
Oh, Charlotte's machine is on the basement.
Let's
go.
Basement. I don't have a fancy shop. I
Yeah.
just have a basement.
Wow. Wow.
This is where the buys live.
Yeah.
The buy room.
Yeah.
The buy room.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is buy room.
Wow, we see that.
哎呀，我最
Oh, with the sequin and the
This is
cording.
my other room.
Nice.
Good.
Oh, you are making the graduation belt, right?
Yes, yes.
Nice.
This is the machine that needs help.
Oh,
Needs help.
okay. We will
Yes.
have you check it.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
You have it. Whoa.
Okay, let me turn some more lights on so you can
Oh, overlocking machine.
turn some lights on.
Oh.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, jute jack. Oh, you also in a Tajima.
这台需要看。
Wow, happy Mirko Tajima.
哇，
Wonderful. Oh, sometimes you also make the live? I mean this one.
Yeah. Well, I
Live
don't know
stream?
how to work it.
Ah, nice, great.
啊，这个是学生用的。
你看。
For
Oh,
some students.
graduation season is coming.
Our engineers are teaching her how to do sequin embroidery.
A week, a month?
I'm seasonal. My busy season is for these graduation stoles. Okay, so when people start graduating, they start graduating in April, May, and June.
April,
Okay.
May, and June.
Right. So my
these 3
business
months is
starts
okay.
my business starts in March. My main business
Oh,
starts in
got
March
it.
because they want their stoles for the pictures and
Yes.
photo, right? And I'm down now. I have people begging me. They're begging. No. The answer is no.
No. So
You
want
knew
to
you were
rest yourself.
graduating.
Yeah.
You should have ordered 2 weeks ago.
Oh.
So they're like, "Oh, can I get it tomorrow?
No.
Do you live next door to me? No, you can't get it tomorrow. But oh, can I come to you? No, you can't come to my house. I don't let people come in my house because I don't know.
We're so lucky.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know who you are.
Yeah, yes, you're right.
Like
You know.
for safety.
Right.
Yes.
And usually when people come in this neighborhood, they go, "Oh, she's got a big house. Oh, you must have money."
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it
no,
makes sense.
not
yeah.
good.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Not good.
Yes, not
I don't.
safe.
You know, I'm here by myself most of the time, so I don't need any strangers.
Yes, definitely.
My motto is I go anywhere the mailman goes.
The mailman.
Anywhere the mailman goes. If you got a mailman, I'll send it to you. If you don't have a mailman, sorry.
No.
They can pick your order.
Right.
Yes,
right,
got
right,
it,
right.
got it. And I saw that you also made that kind of like UGG boots, like that kind of thing, snow boots.
The boots, yes, I
Yes.
do. I do the. You know, I can monogram them with
Monogram?
monogram them.
Oh, by my name.
Your name or your initials or your organization. Mostly, I do the Greek
Like
organizations.
this kind of thing.
Right. Or your school, whatever you want.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Everything mostly I
That,
do.
towers?
Towels.
All of them? Towers, blankets?
Towels become shower wraps.
Oh.
Oh, shower wraps.
Towel becomes a shower wrap,
Wow.
Oh.
you know, or pool wrap.
So this is a logo for school?
Omega
or
Psi. That says Omega Psi-Phi.
Yeah.
That's Greek. Omega Psi-Phi.
Omega,
Psi.
Phi. It's like a mathematics symbol, right?
It's a Greek symbol, yes.
It's a Greek symbol.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So that's what I do. Is Greek
Only I read
organizations.
this one.
All of them, like I
Yeah.
do, AKA,
AKA.
Omega Psi-Phi,
Oh.
Phi Beta Sigma, Sigma Gamma Rho. You know, mostly that's what I do. Is the Greek organizations.
Oh, great.
Wow. Check your
So, well, that's really an old map, but that's every place that I've shipped to.
Oh.
But I can't reach it anymore. When I was in New York, I had that on the wall where I could reach it. But that's places that every time I ship. So, and then I have some out there. I think I never shipped to China. I think I
You
shipped.
can come. You can
But
come.
you have any Greek people in there? Right. So yeah, I do towels, but I turn them into shower wraps.
Oh, shower wraps.
Right. And
And you made this yourself too,
no,
right?
that was that's an old sign from when I was in New York. I'm
So you
originally
moved
from
New York.
to here. Right.
When?
I've been here 10 years.
10 years. Wow.
10 years.
So just keep like living in this neighborhood.
What's that?
I mean, you keep living, just live in here.
Me and my son, my two sons live here.
Oh.
Yeah.
She mainly makes sashes and cushions. She also showed us the fabrics she chose to make her products.
Mini warehouse of everything. When they want a pillow, I got the pillows already set. I try to make a lot of things in advance.
Yeah.
You know, so it's easy for me to ship it. And I have my blank. These are all bathrobes, more pillows.
Ah, pillows.
Yes.
Very good.
So when we came down here and I saw this house, all I wanted was a basement. That's all I wanted. Give me a basement. These are my
Only requirement try.
these are my what do you call them? Stoves. These are all my stoves.
Stores.
So I make them up because I make everything from scratch. So I make them up. This is my little warehouse. Somebody wants a pink one. I got pink. I got all colors.
Oh, this is for the graduations, right?
Yes, these are all my stoves. I do beanies. You know, the beanies.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, yes.
beanies.
Beanies.
We
Yeah.
have a chat.
Beanies. Christmas stockings. Christmas
Nice.
stockings.
Oh, stocking, Christmas.
stocking.
Christmas
Oh.
stocking.
Yes.
It's a big,
yes.
long one.
Well, no, not that long.
Oh, nice.
It's about
It's very
about
nice.
this big. It's about this big.
Oh, it's cute.
Great. Oh, you also make as a toy?
When I do gift baskets,
Oh, yes,
Bunny?
got it. Like
Yeah.
a gift basket.
Yeah. So I try to do a little bit of everything. You know, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Yes,
Great.
it is. It
It's-
is almost everything. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Oh, somebody
Look at
called
that.
me one morning and asked me could I make this. This is for little baby.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
This is
so sweet,
for
right?
the diaper.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
know,
for the I know. For baby.
baby diaper.
Oh,
And this is the crown. The
crown. Yeah.
Oh, baby for baby shower.
For baby shower.
Wow.
For photo shoot. You know,
Oh
people
yes.
Take a
for
picture,
photo
right?
shoot.
want to take a picture for
Yeah,
photo
yes.
shoot. Yeah. So that's I do a little
That's
bit
so
of
cute.
everything.
So cute.
Yes,
So you
yes.
made this.
Yeah.
It's a kneading, right?
I knit crochet.
Yeah.
Crochet.
Crochet.
Right. So that's when I have nothing to do. When I have nothing to do, I'll crochet that. Yeah. So that's you know, and the rest is
All her products are made by herself. She makes the blanks, design patterns, and embroideries.
Welcome.
Let's see, sequins are over here. No. Bling. Bling. Where's my sequins? Bling. Where's my sequins? Okay, I gotta figure out where the sequins are.
this one.
The upper one?
This one.
Yeah, sequin.
There you go. Huh? How about we do sequin? I haven't used it because I want to do this one. I thought I could just take that and make it a sequin. There you go.
Yeah, perfect.
Right. So that's what I want to do. I want to do, you know, oh, get out of here. Escape. Delete that. So that's 3 inches. Let's make it a little smaller. what I want to do. I want to do sequins. So if I want to do a heart,
If you want to try a new embroidery machine, buy can be your new choice.